Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how I organize my refrigerator. Even after everyday usage of fridge, we often neglect it. Most of the time, it becomes the dumping ground for all the leftover food and expired food items. So today I will be showing you the most realistic way of organizing your fridge. I am having twin door refrigerator in which one side is fridge and other side is the freezer. This is how my refrigerator looks before organizing. So let us begin firstly by removing everything from the fridge. By removing everything, you can check which items need to be consumed at the earliest and which are the items which need to be discarded. So as you can see, I have removed everything from the refrigerator and kept it on this kitchen slab. This was all the stuff which was in my refrigerator. I will place them back once I will clean the fridge from inside. For cleaning the fridge, I use natural cleansing solution. I prepare my natural cleansing solution from few items which are available in the home all the time. For that you need a spray bottle, about half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dishwashing soap, warm water and a microfiber cloth. So first we are going to fill this water bottle half with the warm water. Then we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar in it. Now we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of the dishwashing soap. Then we are going to squeeze half a lemon in it. Now the lemon acts as antibacterial agent, plus it removes the stinky smell from the refrigerator. Shake it well and use it in the refrigerator. First we're going to spray it and then leave it for some time, and then we're going to clean it with the microfiber cloth. You can instantly see the difference. The solution works really well. The bad odor is gone and the fridge will be sparkling clean. All these stains will also be gone after using this. As you can see, all the stains are gone. Now after cleaning, I will place everything back in the refrigerator. So I have organized my refrigerator. Let me show where I have kept what. So I have kept these eggs in this egg tray, my probiotic drinks. And in this basket I have kept my curd and my cheese, my raita, my yogurt. So basically all the dairy products above. In the second shelf, I have designated it for leftover and the butter. In this third shelf, in this basket, I have kept some condiments. Some fruits I have kept here. In this last shelf here in this basket, I have kept bread and my chocolates and some drinks here. On top shelf of the door, I have kept peanut butter, Nutella and butter. Second shelf here, some other condiments, jam, coffee creamer and some peeled garlic. Here in this shelf, I've kept some cold drink, juices, vinegar and milk here. In these last two shelves, I've kept filled water bottle for cold water on the go. Here in this basket, I've kept my veggies. I usually keep vegetable in these cloth bags. It keeps them fresh and organized. This last basket is for some more veggies. Now here is the look of my entire refrigerator section after organization. Now let's move on to my freezer section. This is how my freezer looks after I've cleaned and organized it. This is the door of my freezer. So on the door, I keep my cocoa powder, my corn flour and my other masalas. Here on the top shelf, I keep my ice box. These are the ice trays, my ice pack, some frozen blueberries and blackberries, some more chocolates. In this shelf, I keep my dry fruits like walnuts, pistachios, almonds, etc. In this lower drawer, I keep my frozen peas and some frozen snacks. So this is how I organize my refrigerator. It is very easy and anyone can do it. I hope you all like my video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give the video a big thumbs up. See you all on the next video. Oh, and I also place these magnets on my refrigerator. Bye.